Hi, Jaelynn. Are you ready to try out the new baby food? Are you ready to try out the new Gerber baby food? Okay, let's do the taste test. Okay, here you go, sweetheart. Let's see if you like it. Wait, what's with the tongue? Okay, there. What do you think of the new baby food? Is it good? Is it good? Do you want more? Would you like some more baby food? Okay, let's do the taste test. Open wide. Oh no, she's sticking her tongue out. Is it good, Jaelynn? Jaelynn, do you like the baby food? What do you think of the baby food? Is it good? Is it good?